New Chinese theme pack for Xiaomi Global. Home screen widget. Lock screen dynamic island. iOS 27 new lock screen clock. Change wallpaper. Theme name in China store. Customize theme. Wallpaper settings. First, import original image. Enable depth effect. Next, import removed background image. Next theme in this pack. Swipe to change clock style. Tap. Theme support light mode. Theme name in China store. Next theme. Beautiful icon pack. Super light mode and dark mode. Control center. Theme name in China store. Next theme. All themes include one backup file and description. You can get and install on your global devices. Watch tutorial video to learn how to do it. Thanks for watching video.